Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 11F 5G with natural aesthetic design. Now, let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.7 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels, approximately 93.4% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 394 ppi pixel density, 1100 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and with Panda glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 64 megapixel 25mm OmniVision OV64B main camera, along with 8 megapixel 16mm ultra-wide-angle camera, and with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 32 megapixel 22mm Sony IMX615 front camera, video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of ColorOS 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex-A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, and 8 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.7 by 7.5 mm, and it weighs around 177 grams, and the color options palm green, ocean blue, coral purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, Type-C headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP65 dust and water-resistant, infrared port for remote control, and with NFC. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 11F 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB. Storage variant at 85,999 Pakistani rupees, 25,999 Indian rupees, $308 US, 10,990 Thai baht. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 11F 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.